So here's a goofy setup. I've got a smart meter I've had for almost 3 years now, and every hour it makes this sound. Nobody believes me, but I finally had a power guy come out here. We swapped meters a couple times, and this is a recording meter, and the guy was here for like 45 minutes and it did not make a sound. So what I did is I put a little Wi-Fi camera, taped it to the box. I put a little cover over it in case it rains tonight. And it's connected via Wi-Fi, and it's recording 24/7 with audio. So when this thing makes that goofy clicking sound, I'll be able to have an audio recording of it. And so far it's done it 3 times, and I've attached a little audio sample to this video. And if anybody knows what the hell this noise is, please let me know. Now, before you say it's a smart meter and it's sending a signal, it's not. We've pinged the meter, and that's not what it is. Basically what happens is it sounds like 50 or 60 hertz, and it does it for about 6 to 7 seconds. And this one's pretty quiet compared to the last meter. But what happens is the voltage will drop in the whole house about a volt. Now I've disconnected my HVAC, water heater, some of the heavy hitting devices, I've turned those breakers off, and it still does it. So if I have a ceiling fan on, or an exhaust fan in the bathroom, or even the fan above the oven, or even my surge protectors, if those are on and I'm nearby and this thing makes that noise, all the devices in the house will start emitting that noise as well. So I can't figure out what it is. So just wanted to show you this setup, this crazy setup, and here's the video.